Episode 2 spring roll recipe. I've already posted how we make the wrap, so here is the filling. So we started frying our onions in the oil, not too much, just a little bit of oil. We fry it until it's soft for some minutes. So we add our blended chili pepper, garlic, and a little bit of ginger in it. And also we add our tuna in it. That one we did not fry it much. So we'll continue to fry it until it's actually a little bit cooked, mixing with the chili pepper and the onions, and everything will mix together very well. Now we will be adding our beans. This spring roll filling, we make two type of spring roll filling, but this is the one I was be able to show you guys for now. In the other one, I'm going to show you how we make that one also. And now she's adding Maggi. If you don't like Maggi, you can take it out, but she's just adding it to give it some flavor. Here is the other spring roll filling that I was telling you guys that is different. So I'm going to be dropping the video very soon. So now we are going to be adding our spices. You can add any spices of your choice. It's time for us to wrap the spring roll. Here is how she's wrapping it, and you can wrap it in other way, but she prefer wrapping it like this. So if you want to know how to wrap that one too, please drop your yes in the comment section, so that I will allow her to teach you guys how she wrapped the other one. Now she's wrapping it very fast because the video was very long, so I'll try my best to bring everything in. Yes, and thanks to the person that actually edit the video. He did his best. So here she's finished. And also this spring roll, you can also wrap it like this and then put it in the white plastic and wrap it and then put it in the freezer to freeze for 1 week, 2 weeks or more. Anytime you are ready, you can just take it out and fry it. Yes, so it's time to fry the spring roll. Now she's frying all the spring roll, and then she's turning it. You're supposed to look at it well, because you know the reason why the spring roll was like this is because some of it was open before she put it in the oil, but so far so good, it still turned up good. So here is it. Thank you so much, my amazing people, for watching. And if you haven't watched how we make the wrap, you can check the video how I make the spring roll wrap. Was very simple, and I'm going to be dropping the other thin spring roll wrap video very soon. Thank you so much. Enjoying watching the video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel for more amazing recipe, because this channel was not only me that I was running it, and also I can allow my sister to also show a recipe, or my friends or any person that has amazing recipe can also share he or she amazing recipe in the video, so that you can actually learn more about cooking and how Africans we actually do our pastries and our snacks and our food and our soup. So if you want to know all this, please, if you want to see all this, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification so that you don't miss anytime I upload a new video. See you soon.